Now, when you think of TV and movies, you know about the directors, the producers, the writers, obviously the stars, but the Foley artists are the unsung heroes of the industry. They're sound professionals who create the background noises that we hear on the screen. You know, if you think about heels clicking on the ground or glass breaking, look at this. Oh, wow.
It's amazing, isn't it? These realistic sound effects are done during post-production, and Foley artist Sanaa Kelly joins us live from Los Angeles. Sanaa, it's great to chat to you. This is awesome to watch behind the scenes. You've called it the coolest job ever, and you have 30 years of experience. But what initially drew you to it?
Well, I was told I couldn't do it. Firstly, I thought it was silly. How could they offer... why are they doing sounds when they're already shooting it? Then someone told me I couldn't do it, so I took it as a personal challenge and I started doing Foley.
Oh, it's amazing. You're one of the best in the business. You took an Emmy for your work on Shogun, which is an amazing show. How did it feel to win an Emmy for your work and be recognised?
It was such a great feeling because I feel like Shogun really challenged me. It was one of the hardest sounds I've ever done because it's so unique and precision, and it's just really, really one of the best things. And I was working on it. My wrist was also broken.
Oh,
so.
wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was fun. It was a lot of fun and very challenging, very fun.
Well, you have to get super creative and experimental when creating different sounds for different shows and different films, often, as we've seen, putting your body on the line as well. What is perhaps the most surprising or shocking item that you've used to create a certain sound?
Oh my gosh, so there's so many, like you saw the show Untamed that's coming out tomorrow. Someone's climbing on the mountain and they have all the gear for climbing mountains. We actually used the keys, like almost like prison keys. They end up sounding good. Working on the movie SpongeBob, that was a lot of fun because you could use a balloon for a squeak. Some of the shows, I'm using cantaloupe for like brain and, you know, goo.
Wow.
Oh, my God. There's a lot of talk in Hollywood at the moment, you would know more than anyone, about the rise of AI there and how it's going to impact so many parts of the industry. What are you and other Foley artists worried about this? What are you all talking about?
So I would say yes and no. If those of us that have been doing it for many years, obviously we'll work on the top tier kind of shows, and they're going to want, you know, the really, really good sound on it. And Foley is the performed part of sound. We take into consideration where the mic is placed. We actually put in emotion. Even a hand pat is just not a simple hand pat. If someone is sad, there's different emotion to it. Wow. What it's affecting right now is the people that are learning, people with lower budgets. I used to use the lower budget movies and shows to teach the new upcoming Foley artists. So what's happening now, AI is taking that. So in the future, it will affect it. So people would have to have a full-time job and spend 8 hours a day learning on stuff that we've already done so they can get paid.
Wow, fascinating. Okay. Well, you know, hopefully, especially the end of what you're doing, I mean, it's so personalised, isn't it? And so creative. It needs the human touch, doesn't it? What about Ted Lasso? I wanted to ask about that because we're big Ted Lasso fans here on Today Extra. What kind of work did you do on that show?
So everything you hear, like the kicks, the hits, any footsteps, any hand pat, that show was really, really special. I actually had, I think, 4 of the actors came to the Foley stage and did Foley for their Foley.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and they invited us, like, this doesn't usually happen. Like you said, we're kind of like behind the scenes. People don't even know about us, but the whole, like, the sound supervisor, Brent Finley, he was so great. He made sure that we're always all included. and everything, and we were recognized for everything. Even the parties were invited to. Met Jason many times, and he was so sweet. Crystal Fernandez was one of the ones that came over, and I mean, we still message each other. Everyone, from the picture editor to the directors, everyone is extremely nice, just like the show.
Yeah, that's it. That's what we want to hear.
Yeah.
You're on your soundstage now. Can you give us a live demo of something?
I don't know. Well, I don't have like picture.
Okay.
I could give you a live demo of like birds flying.
Yes.
Sure.
Can you hear this?
Oh my God.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Amazing.
If it's a dragon, I work on Jurassic World,
Yep.
Chaos Theory, which is the animation.
Oh, the dragon wings.
The frill wings. Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that is
And
so
then-
cool.
SpongeBob, we did some wings. I used some of this. All wings.
You
It's
must
an
have
art.
so
What you
much
do is an
fun.
art.
Yeah, we're so grateful for your time today and for you letting us. One more secret.
What's that?
One more second. Untamed, when they're climbing.
Yeah.
So this show that's coming out tomorrow, like we did at the Sound of for Warner Brothers, this is a purse that wouldn't open because it sounds good closed.
That's
Wow.
so good. You are you're
What
a
a talent.
genius, Sanaa. Thank
What
you
a
so much for your
talent.
time.
So nice to meet you. Thanks for your time
Thank you
today.
so much for having me.
Look
No
forward
worries.
to seeing
See you soon.
Untamed.